Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? And where are you from?
We from Balochistan.
And how long are you here in Holland?
And 4 months. 4 months.
4 months.
Yeah, 4 months.
And before Holland, you were in.
Yeah, people Netherlands is very nice and people very nice. Also is very nice, very good. Yeah. Today Netherlands Freedom Day.
Netherlands.
Freedom Day. Today Freedom Day, no?
Yeah.
Today Netherlands Freedom Day. You asking what some history for Netherlands freedom for see all my friend.
Yeah. For 70
Balochistan.
years we have freedom.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
70 years.
And you?
For freedom, but freedom fight with Germany.
Yeah. Yeah.
How much long time fight with Germany and Netherlands?
There were 5 years of war.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then. Yeah.
Second World War. Second World War. No.
No.
Which that?
What's the question?
Question this one. Which date? This Second World War freedom?
Yeah. The war was from 1940.
Yeah.
1940 until 1945.
Yeah.
1945. It's called the Second World War.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Now
Thank
we
you.
live already 70 years in freedom.
Yeah.
We want to stay in freedom.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
we have.
Hi. How are you?
Hi, Arif.
Arif Papa Baloch.
For short.
Arif Papa Baloch.
Arif.
Arif. Short Arif.
Sorry, Arif.
Hi, how are you? You good?
Yes, thank you.
Have one question with you. You asking some Netherlands history. Netherlands which they fight for freedom. This one some. Yeah. Thank you.
In Dutch?
No, English. Dutch, English. After like English.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
My name is Govert.
Yeah.
I live in Harderwijk.
Yeah.
I was born after the war,
Yeah.
and I'm free and happy.
Yeah. Happy,
And
very happy.
I'm glad
Yeah.
to have you as a refugee
Yeah,
in Harderwijk.
my refugee.
I know I have contact with some refugees from Pakistan, from Lahore.
Yeah.
They are living here, in
Living
Lahore.
here. Yeah.
They're friends of mine. I help them.
Yeah, thank you so much. You're a helpful refugee, no?
Yeah,
But,
they are.
My country, Balochistan. Balochistan unlegally occupied Pakistan.
I see.
Yeah. Yeah, Balochistan.
Where do you live?
Balochistan inside Pakistan, inside Iran, inside Afghanistan. But this location, this map, all Balochistan. Before now have Pakistan, now have Iran, have Balochistan. But unlegally occupied Pakistan and Iran, Balochistan.
You are own people.
Yeah.
From the air.
My land, my people, my all people is missing. Dr. Marangim is missing. BCY leader missing, killing. My chairman, Benham chairman, Shahid Ghulam Ahmad, Lala Munir, CC member, Sher Mohammad. Too much people killing Pakistani army. Too much people missing Pakistani army.
Where did you live? Where?
This hall, this no.
Yeah.
Pakistan side, Iran side, Afghanistan, it's all Balochistan.
Hey, where did you live? Where your home?
My home, Mand Balochistan. Mand.
Family. Where is your family?
Your family, search here, Mand Balochistan. I think he are coming now from Afghanistan. My family outside, no. family is killing Pakistani army. Me 21 here, a struggle for freedom for Balochistan. Yeah.
That's difficult.
Very difficult, my story, yeah. Thank you.
My friends from Pakistan,
Yeah,
they are Christians.
Christian for Pakistan.
They are killed by the
Yeah. By the Islam, too much killing Pakistani army. Shia killing, Pashtun killing, all is killing Pakistani army. By the Islam.
difficult people in one country.
Yeah.
Islam is short from
Pashtun, Sindhi, Baloch, also killing Pakistani army. Pakistani army is terrorist, number one terrorist. No Israel, no Pakistani army terrorist. But some Iran terrorist, Pakistani army.
When did you go out? When did you come to Europe? When?
Me come inside Dubai here. Me leave 21 here. Me no go my home. After no go me Balochistan back. Huh?
Yeah.
21 year me leave go to Dubai. Inside Dubai me work. After me only 5 year leave here, come here.
5 years.
Yeah.
In Holland.
And Holland, yeah. And the other way, no, all Holland me no see. No go outside, here only.
And you are learning Dutch now? Dutch language?
Dutch is some. But my past